Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Notion buttons for quick logging. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to open and go to the page where you want quick logging. And then you're going to simply type in slash and type in button. And alternatively, you can also select button from the menu. Here, you're going to select button and give your button a name. For example, I'm going to type down log task right over here, and then you'll be able to see it says when button is clicked then do what action. So you can do actions such as insert blocks, add page to a database. So simply select add page to select data source, and you can select the database where you wish to add any page to. So now once you have done that, you can simply click on done. So now whenever you wish to add page, you will be able to see the page will be added to the task database containing the pre-filled fields such as date, status, or tags. Now, every time you click the button, Notion will instantly create a pre-configured entry for fast logging. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.